Hey guys, welcome back to Cruise Keto. So glad to have you. In today's video, we're just going to be making some banana bread. Now, I love banana bread, especially in the morning for breakfast. You toast it up and put a little butter on it. So good. So, without any further ado, let's just get right on into the video, guys. Alright guys, we're just going to jump right on into the video, and we're just going to start out by adding our dry ingredients together. This recipe is absolutely delicious and it's so simple to make. First, you're just going to start by adding 1 cup of almond flour that has been sifted to a bowl, along with half a cup of sifted coconut flour. To that, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 scoops of unflavored collagen. Now with this, you can add any type of collagen that you like, any brand that you like. Either one works just fine. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For this recipe in particular, I use roasted cinnamon because I feel it brings out the more cinnamon flavor in the banana bread. And then you're just going to mix that together until it's very well combined, and then you're just going to set that aside, and then we're going to move right along into our wet ingredients. Alright guys, moving right along to our wet ingredients, you're just going to add in 4 room temperature eggs into a dish, a separate dish. Then you're just going to add in 2 teaspoons of banana extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons of butter that has been melted and cooled. It's roughly around 71 grams, or just under 71 grams if you are weighing. Then you're just going to add in 1/4 cup of sweetener. Now you can use whatever sweetener you prefer. If you want your banana bread to be a little bit more sweet, you can definitely add in a 1/2 cup instead of a 1/4 cup. But it's all up to you. Then you're just going to give that a whisk until it's all well combined, and then you're just going to add that to your dry ingredients. Once you get that incorporated, you're just going to go in and add a 1/2 cup of walnuts. Now, it will seem a little thick. This is the time that you will go in and you will add in 1 1/4 cup of almond milk. If you do not like almond milk, you can certainly substitute it for any other type of keto-friendly milks of choice. It's completely up to you. But just go ahead and give that another mix until it's all well combined, and then you're just going to set that aside while we prepare our pan. Okay, so now I've just gone ahead and prepared my loaf pan. This is just a regular size loaf pan. I've went ahead and greased the sides and the bottom and put in some parchment paper. This is just for easy removal later. Now I'm just going to fill up the loaf pan and kind of smooth the top down, and then I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for roughly between 50 to 60 minutes. It depends really on the temperature of your oven, because all ovens bake differently at different temperatures, so just keep an eye on it. And when a toothpick is inserted and it comes out clean, you're done. Then you can just go ahead and remove that and let it cool for 10 minutes in the pan, then remove that and let it cool completely on a wire rack, and then you can just cut it up into slices and you're good to go. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge, and then you can just make any type of breakfast that you want. You can have a slice for breakfast, you can pop it in the toaster and add a little bit of butter on top. You can also make French toast out of this, which is really good. I do that sometimes with this recipe. So whatever it is that you would like to do, it works out really good. So this is what it looks like when it first comes out of the oven and cooled completely, and then you're just going to slice that. It's super easy to slice. The best way that I found to slice it is with a serrated knife. It kind of cuts it better, cuts bread better in general. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to tick that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.